Okay, so I'm not on any social media platforms. Not Twitter, not Instagram, definitely not Facebook. And for the most part, I like it. I like it being distraction free, and I don't have to deal with constant notifications and yeah, all the stuff you deal with when you use social media. But I will agree there are some perks of using social media. One would be getting good news feeds because most people around me at least get their news from social media. Now, I can't do that obviously. So, my alternative to that is Google News, which for the most part is pretty good. Uh, so, this video is about me getting my Google News feeds on an RSS. So, using an RSS client to use Google News because I use Newsboat for uh, all of my RSS stuff, and that's the reason I'm obviously, yeah, because I use Newsboat to get my RSS. If you use a different client, go check the documentation of that client on how to add RSS links, but the links would be the same, obviously. So you could get the link from this video. Yeah. Okay. So getting on with the Google News RSS links. There are majorly 5 different type of RSS feeds you could extract from Google News. I'll go through each of them briefly. Top news. Yeah, this is just like the top news of your country. Pretty self-explanatory. You could get news based on different topics, right? So topics in Google News are these: your country, world, local businesses, technology, etc. Suppose you want to get news about technology, just go on that tab, at the technology tab, go on that URL link and add a RSS after news.google.com, and you'll get that. Look, so copy this URL, go add this to your URL file on your newsboard config folder, and it will work. I've already done that, and it works pretty flawlessly. Okay, just a sec. Yeah, this is technology. Works all right. And cool. The next type of feed you could extract is based on topic sections. So sections on Google News are basically different topics, niche topics, which are not as broad as uh, pure topics, but somewhat like that. So, for example, Linux is a topic, right? You could go and get all the Linux related news from Google News. Yeah, uh, the same procedure. Go add an RSS after google.news and you'll get the RSS feed. Pretty simple. There are like all kinds of different topics, so go check them out. Yeah, you could also do it by custom key search. So for example, there is no topic for my college, so I could just search news related to my college and add that as an RSS feed. So whenever a news pops up about my college, I get that. And you could do it by country and languages, of course. So if you want different news, top stories of US, you could do that, of different countries, any country you want, in all of the different languages which are supported by Google News. I only know English, so I mean I already read English from my laptop, so I don't know about different languages, but I'm sure if there's an option there must be different languages. Anyway, so I like Google News because it gets like it has multiple sources, so I'm pretty sure you get a diverse range of opinions and different, you know, like different kind of stuff. And for the most part, the news are pretty accurate and verified because these are new actual publications and not just people spreading misinformation. But yeah, so I encourage you to use Google News if you don't have social media. If you have social media, then I don't think this video is for you. But yeah, pretty late to tell that. So if you liked it, please like and subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching.